Snappi Diaper Fasteners, pack of 5 DAYGLO Neon by Snappi is one of the best sellers among diaper pins and fasteners products. Pack of 5 DAYGLO Snappis, 2 orange, 2 yellow, 1 green. The Snappi registered trademark is a safer, more reliable, easy-to-use fastener for cloth diapers that replaces the nasty diaper pins. The stretchable non-toxic Snappi registered trademark hooks into the diaper material to make a strong closure. They work best with diapers that have a loose enough weave for the Snappi registered trademark to hook into. Snappi registered trademark terry cloth diapers, cotton pre-folds, and others. Note they do not work well with flannel or other tightly woven diapers. How to use your Snappi registered trademark. To improve elasticity, stretch your Snappi registered trademark fastener a few times before use. Step 1. Hook left. Step 2. Stretch across and hook right. Step 3. Stretch down and hook center. The Snappi registered trademark should go from a T shape to a Y shape when stretched properly. Warning. Always use a cover over a Snappi fastener. Keep out of children's reach when not in use. Do not use a Snappi fastener on toddlers that have the ability to undo or take off their cover diaper clothes. Do not use your Snappi for longer than 6 months. Not UV resistant, exposure to the sun can reduce the effectiveness of the Snappi. Caution. Any tear in the Snappi can lead to separation of a piece, presenting a possible choking hazard. Inspect the Snappi before each use, and discontinue using immediately if there is any sign of cracking, tearing, breakage, or wear of the teeth or any other parts. Do not cut a Snappi as this may cause tearing. New, never used. Simple, only one item needed to create a snug-fitting diaper, a reliable alternative to diaper pins. Economical, allows for a less expensive cloth diapering system with regular pre-fold contour flat diapers. Effective, holds the diaper snugly in place for baby's comfort, also helps prevent leaks from a shifting diaper. Easy to clean, in hot soapy water. Easy, attaches in 3 simple steps. Stretchable non-toxic Snappi hooks into the diaper material for a strong closure.